Now, Acorns is great for beginner investors. The account minimum is $0, and you can invest as little as $5 with fractional shares, like we just talked about. Now, fractional shares means that you can invest with a dollar amount rather than having to buy full shares of any funds or ETFs or individual stocks, and it's a beautiful thing. Now, they have a thing called roundup feature, which automatically invests spare change. So if you buy something for, let's say, $11.50, it'll round up to 12 bucks, and that 50 cents will go invested into your account. They also do have a cashback section for retailers. So if you shop at certain places with a debit card and have that money funneled through Acorns, you will actually get a cashback bonus. There are fees for using Acorns, anywhere from $3 to $9 a month, depending on the benefit version that you would like. The $3 version is going to be the most basic. Of course, the $9 one will be a little bit higher in functionality and features. But the truth be told, the $3 version gets you everything you need to get started. And if you want to go ahead and sign up with our link in the resources down below, you will get a $20 bonus. Now, next up here is going to be with Stash. Now, Stash also has a 0 account minimum. They also do allow for fractional shares. They have that really great roundup feature that allows that money extra to come in and deposit into small dollar amounts. And you can also see they do have a stock back card, which effectively is allowing you to utilize their card to be able to spend money and actually earn stocks back based off of where you spend your money. You can actually invest accounts up to 2 kids with their Stash Plus feature. So if you want to go ahead and have a custodial account, this will actually allow you to do so, again, with up to 2 kids. And the fees for this are going to be anywhere from $3 to $9 per month. If you want to do the custodial accounts, it will be that $9 per month.